Dr. Halberstadt, could you talk a little bit about depression and counseling?
Depression is basically a state of unhappiness. Usually the person feels isolated from other people. Usually they feel they're being rejected by other people, or they may feel intimidated they're going to lose a job and they'll become homeless. They can't support themselves. So these are reactions to negative experiences, either because of internal attitudes about themselves or because the environment creates a crisis. And the purpose of therapy is to help the person to work through these issues so they become positive, that they can have hope, they can improve their coping techniques. By doing this, it helps a person to gain the confidence that the person has lost and have a positive view of themselves, which they have lost as part of depression. It's hopelessness, despair, and not thinking well of themselves, or feeling that they're going to lose everything: job, wife, children, or health. So the purpose of counseling is to help the person work through those negative aspects and see what's positive in one's life, and to give encouragement to the person to continue with life without feeling hopeless.
Does medication play a role?
Medication is helpful only when the person is so depressed that the person is dysfunctional, where he can't work, go out and meet people, or doesn't want to socialize, or doesn't want to go shopping.
Do you want to talk a little bit about medication in terms of, on the news and so forth, we always hear about, how popular these drugs are and the commercials on TV.
Well, studies have shown that antidepressants are effective in severe depression, but not mild depression. In fact, the guidelines put out by the American Psychiatric Society for treating people with mental disorders states in the guidelines that people who are mild to moderately depressed, they do better with psychotherapy than with medication. Medication has side effects. There's always a downside to medication of severe side effects and withdrawal effects.
Is there sort of a sugar pill effect that can occur?
It's a sugar pill because people feel that something positive being done, they can start being optimistic, and being optimistic can it can be a turning point in their lives.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you very much, doctor. On a practical note, if someone has insurance and they want to see you,
I'm provided for most insurance carriers. That's not a problem.
and to get in touch with you, how would one do that?
248-457-9667.
Great. Thank you so much, doctor. Until your next installment, bid you farewell.